guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will share to you guys one of my favorite dish to eat, and this is okra, tomato and corn recipe, or they simply call it sabotage if I pronounce it right. So these are the ingredients: corn, okra, diced tomatoes, bell pepper, chopped onions, garlic, ground pepper, salt, and onion and garlic powder. So those are the only ingredients that I'm using in this recipe. So first, heat oil in a pan, and then I like to pan fry my okra to remove the slime out of it, because I don't really like the slime part. But yes, so I like my okra looking like this, and then transfer it to a plate, and then put another oil, and then saute your garlic and onion. This is a very quick and easy dish, a recipe. So yeah guys, give it a try. So we're just going to saute our onion. So I like to put a lot of onions, and then bell pepper. You can use whatever color of bell peppers you have available. And then we are going to add our diced tomatoes. This is the one in can. You can use fresh tomato if you have any. And then add the corn, kernel corn. And then after that, add the okra. And then I just let it cook for like 3 minutes, and then I add the seasoning, salt, ground pepper, onion and garlic powder. So you can also use whatever seasoning you prefer using, but these are just the basic seasoning I use. And then here it is after a few minutes. It's done. And then I like to fried bacon and sprinkled it on my veggies. Sprinkle a little bit of bacon. So I like to sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes. And yeah. So this is our recipe, you guys. It's the okra, tomato and corn recipe. Thank you for watching.